Thought I'd give you a garden update this morning. I've got some allergies going on or something, so I'm a little raspy here, but our tomatoes are tied back up again and doing good. This twine we got this time to hold them up is not breaking like that the other one we picked up. You hear them cranky pigs behind us? They're pregnant, and boy, they're a little on the grouchy side. I'm outside of the fence here, just so you could get a view from down here. And then I had planted all those vining plants, and that's what you see right there. And it's coming through the fence. Chickens probably get what comes through this side, but you can see they're going all the way up here. So, should have a lot. Got a lot of tomatoes. We've been harvesting a lot of tomatoes. And those there, that row right there, well, actually, and this one was those small tomatoes plants that I'd bought, and they've really caught up. They've done good. Lots of bell peppers. And lots of hot peppers. And tons of eggplants. Our little easy seed out here. I used to be able to get down on my hands and knees and do all this garden work, and my old knees don't hold up to that anymore. Look at all them blooms. Look at this one. Blooms all over it. Uh-oh, some bugs in that one. I better get some. Try to see what. That may just be a bee down in there. Hopefully, there's a bee there. Oh, this one all the way over, and there's a leaf all the way over there. Okay, that is some bees in. Good. Oh, got us a little looky there. Starting to make. That's good. Looks like that tomato either fell off or needs to be picked. Sorry, I'm getting in the way of the video. Make for a good harvest, that's for sure. Yeah, my old knees don't allow me to get down like that anymore, so I either have to have a chair out here for the parts that I've got to get down to that's further down, or sit in the chair there and get the bottom parts. Can't crawl around that ground anymore. Celery. One of them ain't doing very good. The rest of them are. Can't wait to harvest on this squash, though. We didn't plant until late, because we was hoping to have that other part done, but life gets busy and it don't all get done as quick as you would like for it to. Harvest some of those eggplants there today too. Very proud of it. It's looking good. I got these tomatoes, Romas here, all washed up. There's a couple other big tomatoes there too. I'm going to put them in a freezer bags and put them in the freezer until I have a big old batch, and then I'll spend a couple of days doing some canning and making salsa and tomato sauce and spaghetti sauce and stuff. Okay, I've got it put in some freezer bags, and I put the date on it, the month and the year, and tomatoes for salsa, but I'll use it for different sauces. Got two 2-gallon bags there. That's just a start. Made 3 loaves of urban cheese bread. Paul and them will be excited. They all love the urban cheese bread. I made Paul a lemon pastry since lemon is his favorite, lemon cream cheese pastry. And I made a cherry pastry glazed with some, just some vanilla icing I made, little glaze for anybody that don't like lemon.